Want to take control of exactly which devices can connect to your Converge modems or routers network? MAC address filtering is a powerful security tool. It lets you create a whitelist, allowing only approved devices, or a blacklist to block specific ones. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set it up on your Converge modem step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Find default login settings. Flip your router or modem and find default login IP address, username, password, and default Wi-Fi SSID and password printed on the router sticker. Step 2. Connect to your Converge network. First, ensure the device you're using, a computer, phone, or tablet, is connected to your Converge router's network either using Wi-Fi or wired. Step 3. Access the login page via web browser. Open any web browser and access 192.168.1.1 or use login IP address printed on the sticker. You will get Converge login page. Use default login username and password printed on the sticker and press login button. Step 4. Navigate to MAC filtering settings. From the top menu, go to Internet tab. Then from left side menu, go to Security option. Under Security Settings, navigate to Filter Criteria tab. Now under MAC Filter option, select on and Filter Mode Blacklist or Whitelist, and then press Apply button. Whitelist means only devices on the list can connect. Most secure. Blacklist blocks only the specific devices you list. Choose Mode and press Apply button. Scroll page down and click MAC Filter option. Here you will get option to add device you want to add in MAC access list. If you want add device that already connected to your Wi-Fi network, click option, select from the associated devices. From the list, choose device you want to add and give a name to device, then press Apply button. For testing here, I will add my laptop MAC address. To find device MAC address, manually open command prompt. Type ipconfig/all. Look for physical address under your wireless adapter, or directly to network adapter option, and check MAC address under details option. Now go back to router settings, and select the same MAC address from connected list and apply settings. Now test the filtering. This device added to blacklist, so internet should stop working. Open browser and try accessing any website. Great, blacklist working perfectly. You can add many devices to blacklist that you want to block from your network. If you want to create whitelist, simply select Filter Mode Whitelist and add the device you want to add in whitelist. Only devices added on the whitelist can access internet. How to unblock device from blacklist. If you want to unblock any device from the blacklist, go to MAC Filter List and delete device from the blacklist and apply settings. That's it. If this guide helped you lock down your network, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.